Huawei continues to refine its line of wireless earbuds with the fourth generation of its FreeBuds Pro. The Chinese brand has already made its mark in the market with models known for their audio quality and active noise cancellation. With the FreeBuds Pro 4, Huawei promises an even more immersive experience, better sound reproduction, and unmatched call quality. This new generation of earbuds retains the brand's expertise while introducing technical and aesthetic refinements aimed at enhancing the experience. User Huawei is betting on a combination of sleek design, advanced features, and high-end sound performance to appeal to both audiophiles and users who demand quality in calls and comfort. The goal of the FreeBuds Pro 4 is clear: to offer more precise sound, more effective noise cancellation, and a more intuitive interaction with the user. But are these promises kept? In this review, we'll explore every aspect of these headphones in detail to find out if they really deserve their place among the best on the market. All the details and the link are in the description. Butte design, the FreeBuds Pro 4 remain in the continuity of their predecessors. Huawei is going for refinement with a slightly revamped case, featuring a golden trim to highlight the premium aspect. The earbuds maintain their semi-in-ear format with silicone tips and an alternative in memory foam for better comfort and increased isolation. Their ergonomics are well thought out, providing a stable fit even while moving. Their shiny and elegant finish, but easily attracts fingerprints. The compact and convenient charging case allows for charging by USB-C and wireless charging compatibility on select versions. Its opening is smooth, and its sturdiness inspires confidence, even though, without official IP certification, it's best to avoid exposure to water. The FreeBuds Pro 4 incorporate an advanced acoustic architecture with a dual transducer, an 11mm dynamic driver for the bass and a 14mm planar tweeter for the highs. This configuration allows for detailed sound reproduction and beautiful stereophonic amplitude. In terms of connectivity, we find Bluetooth 5.3 with support for AAC, SBC, LDAC, and L2HC 4.0 codecs, the latter being exclusive to the recent Huawei smartphone. The Huawei AI Live app allows you to access a full equalizer for managing multipoint connectivity to connect two devices simultaneously and for customizing the touch controls. Active noise reduction has been improved with an adaptive mode that adjusts based on the sound environment. However, it still shows its limitations on voices and certain high frequencies. The handling of wind noise is very effective. In terms of controls, the FreeBuds Pro 4 offer an intuitive user experience thanks to a mix of touch controls and pinches on the stems. Play, pause, volume, track change, switch between ANC and mode, transparency, everything is accessible directly from the headphones. We also note the presence of gesture controls to answer or decline a call with a nod of your head. The Huawei companion app AI Life offers several equalization modes, a tip fit test, and battery tracking. Its interface is clear and pleasant, even though some features, like quick pairing, are still reserved for Huawei smartphones. One of the most impressive aspects of these earbuds is the quality of phone calls. With an advanced sound capture system, the FreeBuds Pro 4 effectively filter out background noise and allow your voice to remain clear and natural, even in a noisy environment. Whether you're on the street, on public transport, or in a busy office, the performance in hands-free mode is impressive. In the face of competition, the FreeBuds Pro 4 show undeniable strengths, but they also have a few weaknesses. Their sound quality rivals the best earbuds on the market, with deep bass, balanced mids, and detailed highs. However, their noise cancellation lags behind compared to the segment's benchmarks, such as the AirPods Pro 2 or the Bose QC Ultra, AirBuzz, especially on vocal frequencies. Where Huawei really excels is in call quality. Thanks to a system of 4 microphones per earbud, including one that uses bone conduction, voice capture is excellent, even in noisy environments. Background noise is almost completely eliminated. This puts these earbuds among the best choices for calls. On the other hand, the autonomy remains average, around 4H30, with ANC and 7H100. It's not catastrophic, but other high-end models offer better performance. The FreeBuds Pro 4 confirm the manufacturer's expertise in audio. With impeccable sound quality, intuitive controls, and impressive voice capture, they will appeal to music lovers and regular users of the hands-free kit. However, their noise cancellation could use some improvement and their average battery life might be something to keep an eye on, depending on how you use them. If you're looking for premium earbuds that deliver excellent sound and remarkably clear calls, the FreeBuds Pro 4 are definitely worth your attention. The link is in the description. And tell us in the comments, what do you think about it? Also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe so you don't miss our next product discoveries. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.